you remember
the nights we thought we'd never grow old? Yeah, I remember everything. I remember everything. Street lights flicker like a broken movie scene, trying to hold on to who we used to be. Every corner of the city feels haunted by promises we made and never completed. The skyline changed, but my heart stayed the same. Still carrying the weight of your name. And every train that disappears in the dark feels like another piece leaving my heart.
The years keep moving,
but some wounds never heal.
some memories fade,
but this one still feels real.
we're just ghosts in the neon rain, trying to find our way back again. Through the static and the storm, through the fire we became.
And if tomorrow never comes, and tonight is all we gain,
I'll still be standing here, a ghost in the neon rain. I painted over every crack inside my soul, but the colors never made me whole. Every smile felt borrowed from another life. Every laugh was hiding something I couldn't fight. The world kept spinning, but I stayed behind, searching for pieces I knew I'd never find.
I still see your reflection in puddles after storms, a reminder that some connections never disappear. Even when the world tells us to move on, some stories keep rewriting themselves.
Maybe we're not lost,
Maybe we're still finding our way.
maybe every ending is another beginning.
We're just ghosts in the
Neon rain, shining through the hurt and pain. Every scar becomes a constellation, every tear becomes a flame.
And though the distance grows and the years rearrange,
Some hearts never stop searching. Through the neon rain, if I called your name tonight,
would you still recognize my voice?
if I saw you in the crowd,
I'd find you without a choice.
even after all this time,
Even after all this pain,
some connections survive. Everything. We're just ghosts in the neon rain, refusing to be washed away. Every memory burning brighter than the darkness of today.
and when the static finally breaks and the silence calls our names,
I'll still be looking for you through the neon rain.
maybe we were never meant to stay.
Maybe we were meant to remember forever.
Do you remember